Because of the hard work that we've done, because the well-considered policies we've announced and will continue to announce, will be ready to meet those challenges. Happy to take some questions.
Yesterday at the press conference, you said that the Liberal Party were preempting a poor result today. Doesn't seem to be the case, particularly in regards to headline figures. Why were you wrong yesterday in presuming that the...
Well, I don't accept the premise of that question at all. Quite clearly that I don't think anybody could suggest the Treasurer wasn't out there yesterday preparing for bad news, and there is bad news within these results. I mean, if you are relying entirely on your net exports to avoid a flat quarter, then you have a very fragile economy, as indeed, and the Treasurer knows that. It's one thing we might agree on.
Have these figures taken you by surprise?
No, I think it was widely speculated upon, particularly after the release of the balance of trade figures yesterday, that net exports would be a significant contributor boosting the headline rate, and that's exactly what's happened. And if you look at all the serious commentary out this morning, it was pointing out the fragility underlying what would be potentially a welcome headline rate, but headlines don't make for real progress in terms of the living standards of Australians.
Do you acknowledge that these...
There, because the Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull has just stepped up from a Medi conference. He's in Brisbane today.
Developed economies, and especially to other economies like Canada, which are resource economies and have obviously suffered from the decline in commodity prices as Australia has. So we're seeing strong growth in jobs. We're seeing, however, signs that we cannot be complacent. There is a tendency, I think, from our opponents in the Labor Party to take our strong economy for granted. They want to assume that the strong economic growth, 3% real growth, is something that will just occur without the economic plan, the leadership that we have provided and are providing. Our strong growth in exports is one that is testament to the importance of our trade export deals. Our commitment to employment and innovation, as we saw this morning at River City Labs, you saw there one business after another that is inspired by and encouraged by our economic plan, by our plan for an innovative economy, for a growing economy that drives jobs right across the board. You saw them investing, innovating, taking risks, bringing people into employment. That doesn't happen by accident. That requires a clear economic plan. It requires strong economic leadership. And that's what we're providing with our economic plan. The Treasurer and I and all our colleagues committed to delivering on that economic plan that will secure our future